So in this example, just for sake of example, I have listed employees, experience, grade, bonus, and here I have allocated based on experience. I have to allocate the grade, and based on the grade, I have to allocate the bonus. So this is the two things it has to happen in this area. So that in the next sheet I will show you what are the methods. So first I will take employees, name of the employees. Then here will take experience. Here I'll take experience. So equal RAND, rand between open bracket. I'll take 5 years minimum experience. Then I'll go for 15 years highest experience. So do click and drag and something it will take. So now based on this experience, I have to allocate some of the grade. So here I'll take experience, then grade I'll take 5, 10, 15. So these are the 5 grades experiences I'll be considering. So what I do is I'll take less experience, silver. Then this side I'll take gold. This side I'll take platinum. So now I have to allocate grade without using if command.
Okay.
Equal VLOOKUP open bracket lookup value is this one, put comma,
C3.
then table array. So table array is this one, and I have to lock this. Okay, to lock, place the cursor and press F4.
F4.
And again press F4. Both are get locked. One side is row is gets locked and another side is column gets locked. Okay. Then column index number. This is column index number 1. This is column index number 2.
2.
Okay. So
2.
grade I'll take column index number 2. Then next we have, would you like to have a approximate match or exact match? So I wanted to have a exact match. Exact match, it says as false. So close the bracket, press enter key. The gold means as per the value it is obtained. Now again do click and drag, then see what happens. So here what is going to be happen? So lookup array is C4,
Value C4
then column index number 2. But here
first.
I did not mention the value. Right now,
Which value?
here I'll take 5 years experience, 10 years
Hmm.
experience, 15 years experience. But
Okay.
in between I have not taken.
Okay.
Okay, but there is no value, grade value for 9. If there is
9.
let's say
Okay.
9 years of experience, I have not allocated any grade for them.
Okay.
Okay. So again, I have to change. For example, if I take 10, again 5, again 15. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 15. See,
Hmm.
because of the problem is the range I have not elected, only the value I have selected.
Okay.
Understood, ma? So whatever the number you will be using, so according to that,
Okay.
the value I mean the grade will be allocated. So in this
Okay.
example, what I have done, I have taken only 3 units, 5, 10, 15. Based on that, the grade is allocated.
Okay.
And next, I have to allocate percentage, bonus percentage.
Hmm.
The bonus percentage based on grade. So bonus, I'll take silver 5% or 8%. I'll take 8% of the basic salary. Just allocate as it is, and 10 here I'll take around 14%. Here I'll take 20%. So select and apply the percentage, and here also you apply the percentage. Now I have to allocate now. So select and you type VLOOKUP, open bracket,
See.
select the lookup value is D3, comma,
Okay.
and select this table and log this,
Hmm.
means make this absolute reference.
Hmm.
F4, again press F4, and next column index number is to 2, then put comma, then your range lookup is false, close the bracket, press enter. Now it is converted into 8%. Now do click and drag, so it's allocated the percentage. But now it seems to be like a value wise. Okay, but it's not a percentage. So to get the exact percentage of the allocated, you have to click the percentage sign. See what happened, it's converted. Okay, again if you remove this, it will go back. Means it's that entire range, whatever I selected, that affected with percentage value. Okay, if you don't want, make this to general. See, it will convert into decimal values, 0.08, something like that it takes. And you convert directly into percentage by clicking this area. Okay, now we will start the calculation of the basic salary, so on so on. Okay, uh, here itself I'll take, based on this I'll take now employees, then experience, then basic salary, I'll take grade, then basic salary, then DA, then few I'll take DA, HRA, then gross salary, then our PF, ESI, then next we will get net salary, then I'll allocate bonus. So select these two and do click and drag. Then experience equal rand between open bracket. So bottom value is 5, 10, 15, close the bracket, enter. But it's not working because too many arguments is working in this area. It has to work only with the two condition. I'll take 15. So click enter. So make ensure this has to have only 5, 10, 15. Again 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 10, 15 in this example. And here we will take the condition, select this.
Less than greater than symbol use ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 10 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ವಾ?
That we can do, that I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So equal, we look up, open bracket, lookup value, select this, unlock it, then column index number 2, false, press enter, enter. Next equal rand between 5,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. Click and drag. Now you allocate some percentage on this, equal open bracket into 5%. Click and drag, equal rand between 500, 800 or 900, enter. Then do click on that, HRA equal between 1,500. Okay, we'll have compute on basic salary only, open bracket, basic salary into 8.5%, then do click. So now I have to compute the gross salary, equal alt plus equal sign. Now we have to compute the PF is equal to open bracket basic salary into 12.5%, then do click on that, then ESI equal E3 into 1.5%, close the bracket, click enter. So now I have to take net salary equal open bracket gross salary minus PF minus ESI, close the bracket, enter and enter it. So now I have to allocate the bonus percentage based on the grade. So here I'll take the same condition what I have written here. So now I have to allocate equal VLOOKUP, open bracket. Here I'll take lookup value is D3, comma, table array. This is our table array. Then lock this, press F4, again F4, then put comma, column index number 2, put comma, then make that false. Close the bracket, press enter. So 8% is computed. So now you convert that into none. So I have to take this. So intentionally I have taken into the last one. So now I have to add into this next to the basic salary. So how what I can do, ma?
Next to the basic salary.
Next to the basic salary, I would like to place that entire data. So what we can do is select, right click. Okay, before do that, before you do that, do right click here and insert one
Insert column.
separate column.
Column.
Okay, but it comes to the next to the bonus. Okay, so select, do cut,
Cut and paste.
paste. Okay, now again I have to add one more column here. Right click and insert. Now you have to allocate the bonus. So this is bonus in value, this is bonus in percentage.
Okay.
Okay, this is bonus in value, bonus value. Okay, so now how do I take a bonus value? Equal, open bracket, your basic salary into bonus percentage. Close the bracket and see that what is allocated. Okay, then do click and run. Understood? But for net salary,
Yes, understood.
for net salary, is it to be addable or is it to be subtractable?
Subtract.
Bonus has to be
Add.
addable. So do plus mark
Add.
and add it. Okay, and press enter key. See what happens. Is that increased now? Then do click and drag. Okay.
Yes, increased.
Okay. Now what I do is, if I change the percentage based on experience. Okay. So now management is saying that instead of allocating 8%, I have to allocate 9% for them. Okay. So what I do is, if I change here 9%, next you change the just you check out the changes across the table. See what happened?
Okay.
And again I have a
It is
14%.
changed.
Okay, so I have 14%. So
Okay.
now management is saying that instead of 14%, I have to compensate in this silver. No, I have compensated, right? So I have to subtract. So what I do is I will be make this as a 12.5%.
Okay.
Okay, so press enter key. See what happens. So it is rounded method we have used. 12.5%. It's considered into 13%.
Okay.
And next one here 20% I have, so make this to 18%. See what happens.
Okay.
So this is the main
Changed.
advantage in MNC company, or especially big companies. What they do is they'll take somewhere in the main line. Okay, once if they do changes in the main area, it is entirely applicable for the huge values of the data. This is the one small example how they will do. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ?
ಹಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay, now what I do is I wanted to know the salary, what is the bonus value and what is the net salary value of the employee. Now I would like to search in this area. So what I do is here I'll take employee name. Then I wanted to know what is the bonus percentage is allocated, and next bonus value is allocated, and what is their gross salary is allocated, and next one is net salary.
ನೆಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್.
Now if I type employee name, that rest of the data has to be visible.
Directly generate.
So what we can do in this area, any idea? Okay, now I'll take the same function VLOOKUP, open bracket, lookup value is what? This one. Then table array. Table array start from this area. Okay. Then you lock this.
Okay.
Then what is the table array number? Sorry, column index number for bonus. Column index number 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to take 4.
4.
Next, would you like to have exact match or approximate match?
Exact match.
So close the bracket and press enter. Now something is showing wrong. Okay, because I have to make this was B1, B3. Press enter. Okay. Is it correct, right? Now why it is not showing any value? Because I did not type the value of the employee name.
Should.
Okay, now if I type January, now see this, what is the bonus percentage is allocated for him? 9%. Is it 9% you check for them? See. Okay, ma?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Next, how can I do it for next one? Now I wanted to copy the same formula. I wanted to copy only the same formula for the next cell. Do copy.
But index.
Go to paste. While pasting the formula, go to paste special and select formulas. Okay. But in this area, I have to change. What is the column index number? 4, 5, 6,
Index
7,
number.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
10.
For your kind, no, just for your reference, I'll write here column index number 1, column index number 2. So like that, just I'm giving you this references, then easy to find it out. So now what is the column index number for that? Bonus in bonus value?
12.
Column number 12. You type 12. Press enter key. See if anything is showing now. But here I have to take G21. G21.
20.
Okay. Is
23.
It? No, ma. January. This is a lookup value. Whatever I type the name, it has to get value. So now you press enter key. See this?
Okay.
So now again, I have to take gross salary. Gross salary column index number 9.
9.
equal VLOOKUP open bracket. So your lookup value is what? G21,
G10.
and make this lock. Okay, if you want, or else you leave it as this. Then table array. So select the table value. This is the data area. Next, column index number. Column index number is what? 9. So
9.
9. Then exact match or approximate match. Exact match I will take.
Exact.
Close the bracket. Okay, now? Okay, next thing is net salary. Again, we look up open bracket
ఏ మొత్తం కనిపిస్తే ఊటీ లేని ಹುಡುಗಂದು ಪಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಕಬೇಡಣ
21 table array. Then column index number is 13. I'll go for 13 and false. Press enter. Now if I do cut copy, so select and apply Control T, click OK. And apply the style. And again select this, Control T, click OK, and apply the style as I want it. So now you delete this reference point. So now you press Ctrl Shift L to remove this filter button from this area. So now what I have to do is just now you focus only this particular area. Now in place of January, if I type a name called October, press enter key, the data which will retrieve. Okay, then if I change 9 instead of 9%, I'll take 8% and save it. Then 12%, then 15%. So this is the beauty of VLOOKUP. You understood, Ma?
Yes, understood.
ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೆಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ VLOOKUP ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮೆನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರ?
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್.
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಡೇಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಈಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇವಾಗ
ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇಟಾನ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್.
ಇವಾಗ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 15,000 ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದಾಗಬೇಕು ಏನೋ, ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ 10,000 ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್, ಸಾರಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಲರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 5,000 ಅಥವಾ 5,000 ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಫಿಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಆತರ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Okay.
Okay, and finally you apply the condition. Means what is the
Okay.
percentage values and all.
Hmm.
Okay, so ಇದು ವಿ ಲುಕ್ಅಪ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ಡೇಟಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ ಲುಕ್ಅಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
H lookup.
I will
Okay.
show you once. So this is the table of our.
Hmm.
Then I'll take copy and I'll go for next sheet and pasting.
Hmm.
ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಈ ಡೇಟಾ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್. I have to be placed in the row wise.
Hmm.
So select place paste special and select this option transpose. But transpose is not working here.
Hmm.
Okay, what I have to do is I have to convert this
Paste.
range. This is your table actually. Okay, so convert this table to range. How can I convert? Clicking this area, convert it, and it will become normal.
Range.
Now after converting into range, place the cursor, go to paste special and select transpose and you click OK. See what happened now?
Hmm.
So now it's converted into horizontal. This side is
Okay.
vertical, this side is horizontal.
Hmm.
Okay, so then this side also you take wherever I used v lookup, when in place of that h lookup I have to use.
Hmm.
Understand? Huh?
Yes, understood.
Okay. And next thing is, see here I have taken column wise.
Hmm.
Here what it was asking, column index number it was asking, but in the case of h lookup it will ask you the row index number. This side is row index number 1, row 1,
Hmm.
row 2,
Hmm.
row 3. So like this it will ask you.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, make ensure what has to be entered. So if I type h lookup, open bracket, now is asking for lookup value. Lookup value I'll take this one. Then table array, this is your table array. Okay, then
Hmm.
row index number, what will you take row index number? If I take 3,
Hmm. Great.
then false. Close the
Hmm.
bracket, press. Now if I type some number like January, but it's not taking. Instead of B, means C, I will take B.
Hmm.
And next it is B18, column index number 3, column index number 3. This side we have a value. Value it has to take. Okay. Now I will change this data area. D. No, it's not working. I have to enter something like in D. Close the bracket. I will take this one. Press enter. Okay, it's not working. We'll take new data, then we have to do it. So select this and we'll remove it. student, then put something will have marks like Kannada, English, Hindi. Like Ram, Sham, Sham. So value type 10, 15, 20. Then English 25, 16, 30, 80, 90, something. To look for. So can we take value like equal h lookup open bracket. So lookup value, I'll take this one. Then this is our table array. Column index number. One, two, three. And then false. So what it will take, ma? Any idea about this? ಹಲೋ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
B18 ರಾಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ.
ಈಗ 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Which is the row index number 3?
Student 1, 2, 3. EN English.
English,
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಡಿದು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ ರೋ ಅಥವಾ?
ಈಗ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಏನು, what is the cell address I have taken here? C23. C23 is completely blank now. Okay. Now if I type something like Ram, see?
25. Okay.
And now if I take Shan, see? Okay.
Yes.
Then if I take Sham, see?
Okay.
Row wise it will work. Okay. Now what you have to do is, so same thing, you copy it, and instead of h lookup, v lookup, you convert that into h lookup. Okay. So whatever I have column headings what I have taken, you arrange it in the row wise. Okay. And this one has to change into the column wise. Understood, ma?
Okay,
so
fine.
see to that and complete it, and I'll check it by tomorrow.
Okay.
See you, ma.
Okay. Bye.